Create smooth animation in CapCut. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create smooth animation for your videos in CapCut. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, open your CapCut application and click on New Project or click on the video already in your project to edit it. After that, you will see the editing screen and at the left bottom corner, click on Edit. After that, you will see the option of Animation. Click on it and then you will see three options: in, out, combo. Choose the option of in and select any animation you want for the intro of your video. After that, click on out and choose the animation for the exit. Now in combo option, CapCut has made default animation for your whole video, that is how the video enters and exits and any animation in between it. So you can choose any one of it from the combo menu if you want and click on the tick icon. After applying animation from combo in or out, your video is ready. And that's all. That is how easily you can apply smooth animation in CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.